Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find who has plus one and reshared your post on Google+. I know what you just said. Do people still use Google+? And the answer is yes. In fact, some groups on Google+ are still pretty active. So there's still people sharing their videos, their images, their blog posts. There's a lot going on over there. It's not like it used to be, but some places are still very active. And the thing is, if you belong to one of these groups or want to belong to one and you get joined up, you start posting, you're going to notice that people may plus one or reshare, and you may not know how to find out who those people are because they might be people you want to connect with. So let's head over to Google Plus, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to find those plus ones and reshares. Okay, so here we are on Google Plus, and I'm looking at an Off the Jacks post into one of the groups, the Rat and Hot Rod Club. Yeah, we post our rat rods in there. So here's a post I made, and if you look right down here, you're going to notice it has 15 plus ones. Well, you can mouse over it, you can do whatever you want. I could plus one it, but I can't see who these people are. Now, you may, when you're logged in, get notifications up here that would show you. But sometimes that's a pain in the butt or you've already cleared it. So what you can do is at the top of the post, you're going to notice right here, if you mouse over it, you're going to get a little square that pops up. If you're not mousing over it, you may not see it. So you come over here, and when you click it, that is the permalink to that post right there. So once you get there, what you can do then is you'll see it says view activity. All right. Once you click that, it's going to come up and show you all the people that have plus one or reshared your post. Then you can just click on their name and go straight over and look at their profile. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. You just have to know to look for that little button at the top and you're good to go. So if you're still using Google Plus or you're interested or want to give it a go because you need somewhere else to try to get some more views to your website, your videos, grab a little attention, head on over there, give it a whirl, and be sure to look for Off the Jacks and me, Sheryl Loch. Thanks for watching.